I obviously like being out in the middle rather than sitting on the sidelines. I think I get more nervous being off the field, and I just love going out there to bat for my country, and obviously batting with what, I guess, one of the best, Alex Blackwell, and I think she's so experienced and knowledgeable, and she kind of gave me some freedom just to do what I do best and just try and hit the boundaries as often as possible, and she would just bat right through. Yeah, it was a really good game. I think all our bowlers did a really good job. I was obviously lucky enough to take 3 wickets. I think I didn't start as well as I would have liked, I guess, but taking those 3 wickets just put me in a really positive mindset going into the batting innings. I guess the time that I went in out to bat was a bit different to what other people had to deal with, and I think our batters Elisa Healy got us off to a really good start, and I guess put that positive mindset for everyone that was sitting on the sidelines that it is possible to find the boundary as often as she did, and I think we obviously just fell. There was a lot of wickets lost through that middle patch, but I think Alex Blackwell and Rachel Haynes did a really good job to steady the ship, and I guess by the time I got out there, it was about a run of ball, and I think I guess my main goal was just to bat how I bat, see the ball hit the ball, which is what I do every time I go out to the crease. So I guess that's just what I try to do today. It was really slow and it was really wide, and I think I did try to hit it over cover, but it did come off like the edge of my bat, so I was pretty annoyed about it, but that's what happens in cricket. Yeah, she has a very good slower ball, and it is very slow, and I think it's really effective in women's cricket. Obviously, girls don't bowl that quick, and I think off pace is really key, especially on wickets like this that are really good for batting, and I think she does do that very well, and she obviously succeeded with getting me out.